You're not behind. You've just been taught the wrong way to use AI. Everyone says write better prompts, but no one teaches you how to think clearly before you type. That's what we're doing here. The Vibe Learning Method is a practical way to work with AI like a leader, not just a user. It's not about hacks. It's about how you think, what you ask, and why that changes everything. Let's try this. Instead of asking, write a blog post about AI in marketing, say this: you're a brand strategist. Write a 3-paragraph LinkedIn post for small business owners about how AI can save time. Make it warm. No jargon. Use this. Now you're leading. Now you're in control. We teach a 4-part structure to help you get there, every time. Role, task, constraints, context. This isn't a trick. It's a shift in how you think. Clarity in, clarity out.